beautiful. In today's video, I'm gonna be playing with some new makeup. I received this in PR and it's from Too Faced. This is a new melted chocolate long wear velvety matte melted eyeshadow. And I received their whole collection. So I'm super excited to put these to use. It does say that you can use them as an eyeshadow and that you can even use them as a pigmented primer, and that this locks down for 24 hours, crease proof and waterproof. Now, when we did try to remove the swatches, it did take some time removing it. So I really believe that claim that it is waterproof because it was on there. And the colors that they chose to come out with are freaking beautiful. I love these tones. They are gorgeous. The packaging, I like how really nice and slim it is. Like, look at that. That's so freaking cute. I like that very, very much. And then in the back, we have a Too Faced Diamond Light Diamond Fire Bronzer. New, our most radiant bronzer ever. Another item of the Too Faced that I will be playing with that I haven't already, so it's new to me, is a Too Faced Natural Lust palette. Now, I haven't played with this, and this has been in my collection for quite some time. The colors are so gorgeous. And right away, as I was swatching the Melt Chocolate Matte Eyeshadows, I wanted to play with this palette. So this is something you would like to see? Continue watching. So I don't know what I'm gonna create, but we're gonna go in and use some of these goodies. So I'm going to go in with Silk Robe, and I will be applying that right here before we go in with any of the other eyeshadows, just so that we have something laid down. As always, I use the L'Oreal Infallible Full Coverage Wear Concealer as an eyeshadow base. So that's what's laid down there. Now, looking at these colors, I don't know, this color especially was freaking gorgeous. Like, the way it just went on the border. The color that my daughter really liked was this mauve tone right here, the Tramasumi. She liked that color, so I kind of want to play off that one. So we will see. So I'm gonna go in with Come Get It, and I'm just going to apply this in the crease. I am gonna go in with my e.l.f. tape. I just really want a precise, like, I'm gonna go in with Hot or Trot. And I'm going to add that color in here as well. Ooh, that is pretty. That's a really pretty shade. Ooh, that is gorgeous. All right, now we're gonna go in with Afternoon Delight, this shade right here. And I'm just going to apply that underneath, right there. So now I wanna go with this really pretty color. I've been eyeballing this color the whole time. This one is pinned down, and then we're going to add it right there. I see. Oh my god, it's pretty. So I'm just go back and just blend. I'm gonna pick up Hot Trot and just blend. Okay, so now I'm going to use this color right here. This is the Too Faced Melted Matte, and this one is Tramasumi. Going to apply a little bit to the back of my hand, and we're going to use this to cut my crease and use it as an eyeshadow. Isn't that crazy? Here we go. Ooh. So now we're gonna go in with the Melted Chocolate. This one is Chocolate Wine, and this one's more of a deepish wine color. Ooh, I want to use that as an eyeliner. Mira. This is my daughter's art pencil. She left it in my room, and I was like, you know what? That looks pretty. So what we're gonna do is just do halfway. And kind of blend this one in there like that. Okay, I'm just gonna use this and blend that in. I see. Okay, and then we're gonna go back in, and we're going to pick up Pinned Down. I was gonna say pin up. And add that right on top. We're gonna go back in and fade more, but it's still drying down, and I wanted to add that before it dried down all the way. And we're gonna go in with Pin Down again, and we're just going to bring it just a little bit closer. Just a little bit closer right here. Just so you can see it peeking through, you know? So it looks cute. Now I'm gonna go in with Too Good, which is the shade right here. Kind of has like some pinky champagne colors in there. And I'm just going to add it right underneath, just like that. Going in with the brush, and I'm just going to add some like this. I sprayed the brush. There is the eye look. I think it came out really, really, really nice. And I love how it just dried on there. It looks so pretty. I just thought about doing something. So now I'm gonna go in with the Too Faced Guava Glitz. And this is their liquid glitter eyeshadow. See, look at it. Ooh. I'm just gonna apply a good amount to the back of my hand. I'm gonna go in with the eyeliner brush, and we're just going to place some just on top. It's like a little line, you see that? Just something a little, but nothing too much. You know what I mean? Ooh, I love it. And this guava shade is gorgeous, like mira. Ugh, that's pretty. Ooh, girl. Ooh. Ooh, that looks good. When I sing that song, that's when you know I'm hype. That's how I hype my babies up with that song. Dang, this mascara is giving me the lash. They look spidery. That's okay. We're going to add some lashes, but I'm really proud with how well this eye look is. Okay, the lashes I will be using are the 670 Pre-Permed Loose Curl. And here's the look with the lashes. I don't want to go in with too much of a dramatic lashes because I don't want to take away from the look that we got going on. So I'm gonna do my foundation and I'll be right back. Now for our bottom lash line, I do wanna go in with the Morphe Honeymoon Pencil. So I'm gonna go in with Come Get It. My mascara, I will be using the Flower Beauty Warrior Princess. Okay, I'm gonna go in with the Morphe and Ufra, and this is in Vinyl. Okay, I'm gonna go back in with Home Slice. And then I wanna go in with Too Faced Rich Dazzling High Shine Sparkling Gloss. This one is Raising the Roof. And it looks so pretty. I just wanna add this just right on top. Oh. Okay, so here is the finished look. I really like how the look came out. Alrighty loves, so this is the finished look using the new Too Faced Melted Chocolate Matte Eyeshadows. I hope you guys enjoyed. I really enjoyed playing with these colors right here. I love how the look came out, especially on the lid. I really love how like no creasing happened at all, and it looks absolutely gorgeous. I really love how it just, oh. So the two colors, the chocolate wine as my eyeliner, beautiful, love it. Ooh, the Terramami Sumi, I know I butchered that, cut on my lid right there. That looks so freaking gorgeous, you guys. And then chocolate wine right there just as my eyeliner, and then blending that really pretty purple peacock shade right there. I absolutely love how it came out, you guys. I cannot wait to play with this shade right here, especially this shade right here, which I'm super excited about, is the Chocolate Chai. It is going to look so beautiful, blown out all over my lid, just like smoked out. I cannot wait to play with this. I'm gonna go in with a really dramatic, bold eyeliner. I can already picture it, so I can't wait till I execute it because it is going to look gorgeous. And I just love the look, you guys. I'm really, really, really impressed with the packaging, how this applied, all of that. So you can just use this as an eyeshadow, boom, done. Or you can use this as a primer and then just pop the color on top of it, and it will definitely make the look pop even more. It was gorgeous. When I went in with chocolate wine as the eyeliner and then I popped the eyeshadow on top, there was no trouble putting the color on top of it, the eyeshadow, and blending it. It just blended together like a dream. I'm really impressed. I love the packaging. I love how they're like really thin and cute. I freaking love that. It's so pretty. I hope they extend this line because this alone, there needs to be more. There needs to be more, like a really pretty chocolatey nude, like a warm brick nude. That'd be gorgeous. That would be gorgeous. Oh, and that's what I wanted to mention about the drying. I had enough time to go in and cut. It doesn't dry like quickly where you're like, oh my God, you have to work really, really fast. This gave me enough time to go in there, cut the crease, pat, go in there, and like it didn't give me a weirdness like cakiness. You know how sometimes if you go in and you pat something and then you go in again, because like right away my mind wants to go into like how liquid lipstick, how it layers, and if you add too much it kind of crumbles. This didn't do that. This didn't do that. This is amazing. Do I recommend it? Yes. It did amazing coming out with the chocolates right here. I cannot wait to create more. And then the Too Faced Diamond Light Diamond Fire Bronzer. This is absolutely gorgeous. I, for one, will not be able to pull it off on my skin tone like as like a highlighter or anything like that. So I will be using this when I go in with these shades right here, the Chocolate Chai and the other ones as well, just to pop in like my inner corner or to add on my lid for an extra pop. But this is absolutely gorgeous. I can't wait to see how it looks on deeper skin tones. It's going to look absolutely gorgeous. I will definitely be putting it to use in upcoming videos. I'm excited for these, you guys. I really am excited. This is, oh, you know what? When I first seen these, I was like, oh my gosh, these are gonna be such beautiful mattes. And what I like about what they did as well, there's no shimmer in here. There's no shimmer, it's just all matte. And then they can add to that in like, you know, they can expand that. But for these to all be matte, it's just like, oh, yes, this, oh. I'm excited. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you guys did, please make sure to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe if you guys haven't already to keep updated my videos. Te quiero mucho, you guys. Besos a todos. And I can't wait to create more. Let me know what you guys think down below. Should I go in with this shade first or this shade? Let me know down below. I would love to know and create for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.